Ooh, that's hot. Let's see if I can't get it without spilling. Need oven mitts. Whew. Okay. Just gonna send it. Wow. That's hot. That's hot. All right. Okay. This is it. All right. That went better than I thought. See, I used to have, as my drain plug, I had like a valve to where all you did was just kind of push it in and push it down, and then the oil would just come out. So we replaced that on my other truck with this one. You know, this is the first oil change, so I've just got this bolt right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't mind the bolt. It just, that drain plug was so easy, just, and that was it. But put the drain plug back in, tighten it down. Doesn't have to be super tight, but just tight enough. Okay, so I'm getting ready to change my fuel filter. This one's a little bit different than my old truck, but I don't know, I think I could figure it out. I mean, the one I had in my old truck, it had like a deal where underneath you twist this little nozzle and it released the fuel out of the reservoir, and then you would basically get a belt wrench or whichever you want to use. A lot of times I could just spin it off by hand, and I'd be able to spin this entire sight glass off at the bottom, and then I was able to pull the filter out, put the new one in. Well, this one's a little different. I don't really know exactly the process, but I'll figure it out. There's like a little screw at the top up here. I'm guessing that would release this, and then just take the old filter out, put the new one in, and good to go. So once this drains out, I'll figure out how to get this off, get the old filter out, put the new filter in, and easy enough, man. Super easy. This is making a mess, but we need to get a consistent stream. Guess not. Doesn't look too bad. Comes with a new O-ring for, is it the perimeter? Outside perimeter, yeah. What is that? No, that doesn't go in there, does it? Let's see, this O-ring. Would it go in there? Yeah. Yeah, that O-ring's pretty good though. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's brand new. And then this O-ring. Okay, so I figured it out. It comes with new O-rings for inside of here, and then also for the screw, the cap, it comes with an O-ring for this one too. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those, and actually I'm not gonna replace this one. I mean, it's brand new. I mean, it looks perfectly fine. I might replace it on the next one, but I'll replace the one on the cap. It will be good. Just want to show you guys how much stuff has collected in there already. I mean, that's, if you're overlooking that kind of stuff, I mean, I don't even know. There's like metal shavings, there's all kinds of stuff from this stuff being new. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that out before I put anything else in there. All right, so we're gonna take care of that little problem with some shop air. Clean now. Sweet. Way better. Okay, we got the filter mounted that's on the motor. Just got that one mounted. It's pretty cool to see the factory filter where they didn't spray the backside. It's kind of cool to see the first filter come off. So Yep, we're just gonna keep on plugging away. All right, so those are my factory filters. Got those guys all in the, so basically what they'll do is they'll drain out here. All right, so we got everything all changed out. Got the new oil filter in there. Got the new fuel filters going, already primed this. So basically you just turn the key like 2 times until the fuel pump stops, and it'll fill this one and then it'll fill the one on the motor. And then you're good to fire it up. So I already checked the dipstick and all that, and everything's good to go with maintenance wise. I just gotta grease it and we'll be good to go. Yeah, that pretty much completes the maintenance. There we go. Scariest part of the oil change. Oh. Is not dumping the bucket of oil down the ramp. What'll be funny is if I actually dump it.
You don't want to use that.
Yeah, right? All right. All right.
Oh no!
Woo! All right, guys, that's a wrap on the oil change. I'm just gonna clean everything up, and we'll probably just get back to you on the next one. But yeah, everything's done. Oil's changed, fuel filters are done. Gotta grease it probably this weekend or something like that. But yep, that's what I do to maintain the truck. So see you guys on the next one.